Okay, Libras, I gotta keep it a beam with y'all, right? This reading, it looks like a stalemate to me. We got the Sacred Union card out here, first of all, right? So what it's telling me, because, see, you got a peep game, right? The cards are out here like this. So this King of Swords who's out here is looking over at the Sacred Union, which happens to be a woman. You make the genders go where they're supposed to go, right? But this is definitely about relationships. And this King of Swords, who is a mentally strong individual in your life, is looking over there at you like, what are you doing? Like, it's obvious that you're daydreaming and you're contemplating what's happening, and what's happening is the Sacred Union. It has something to deal or do with opposites. Either you're transitioning into a different, newer you that you weren't before, so this is what's making you opposite of what you used to be, or you are opposite of that King of Swords, which is the counterpart here. And not for nothing, the King of Swords is suspended in time just as you are thinking about this thing. I mean, we also have the Hanged Man out here as well, which is actually suggested to be in that type of energy right now. So that's why I said in the beginning, this is like a stalemate, because, you know, you're pretty much just waiting for the paint to dry on the walls, so to speak, you know. That's actually what I read from this particular deck. That's the first time I heard that. I was like, oh, that's pretty dope. We also got the Five of Cups out here. So with the Five of Cups out here, it's like even more telling that there's definitely more. It's even more telling that there's definitely contemplating and thinking going on here. But someone may be unhappy or unfulfilled and feeling empty. It could be that both of you. It could just be one. But this is definitely the situation at hand. And what this is telling me is, look at this big blue ocean that's around. Look at the clouds. Look at the sun. There's so much going on around. You got 4 cups on the side of you, or y'all, or whoever it is. And yet, this seems to be weighing so heavy. This opposite attracting, this union coming into play. Perhaps the sun in the Five of Cups gives more implication to the sun that is being held in the sacred card, in the Sacred Union card, you know. Divine union, as in spirit, as in land as well. However, it's still being said that as you watch during this time, what you see in the reflection is what you're becoming.